Source wants me protecting the crown chakra, delivering all these messages because they're constantly messing with me. But anyway, I was prepping a little food before I went to walk my dog. While I was out on that walk, Source loves dropping nuggets of knowledge. So let's get into it. TikTok, this is for educational purposes. So stay with me, folks, because I will be teaching you something within this video. They're not just withholding food, they're weaponizing it, because food, real, whole, plant-based food, does more than nourish. It raises our frequency. When you unplug from processed matrix meals and start cooking for yourself, your body detoxes, your cells regenerate, your intuition sharpens, you become harder to control. They don't want that. That's why in places like Gaza, food scarcity is a tool. It keeps people low, distracted, and drained. So right now I'm gonna teach you about parsley, because these following ingredients, I'm using it in a recipe. So parsley, not a garnish, a full-blown detoxifier. Flushes out heavy metals like mercury, lead, aluminum, things they load into your body through the air, water, and yes, even pharmaceuticals. It supports kidney filtration and clears inflammation in the blood. Energetically, it clears stuck ancestral grief, especially maternal line sadness stored in the gut and the womb area. You're not just eating greens, you're clearing inherited trauma. I got goosebumps all over right now. Dill. Dill calms the nervous system and regulates digestion. Natural anti-spasmodic, relaxes the intestines so the body can focus on healing instead of just surviving. It works on the solar plexus and the third eye, rebuilding your inner trust and spiritual discernment. Dill also breaks patterns of fear around nourishment and teaches the body it's safe to receive again. Ancestral herb used in ancient healing and moon work, often overlooked because it's subtle but powerful. Fresh garlic, not traditionally in the recipe that I'm about to make, but I'm using it to clean my vessel because garlic is antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial. Removes parasites, yes, physical and energetic. Parasites feed on fear, sugar. Garlic is their natural enemy. It strengthens boundaries in the energy field, keeps you spiritually close to manipulation. Garlic has been demonized by the Matrix for a reason. It's one of the strongest energetic protectors plant form. Now I know why I got the vampire drop yesterday too. Stay tuned. This is unfolding. When I say I'm making lunch, I'm not making food. I'm activating my body, purging my field, and raising my frequency through ancestral wisdom. This isn't a recipe, it's a ritual. And today I'm making piyaz. I'm Turkish, by the way, and piyaz is a bean salad. So, you know, we're making this all with intention, our own energy, fresh food, nothing processed. We're going to raise our internal vibration. 313, hi dad, he's always here. I mean, he's Turkish too. I gave away what I am if you ever guess. What nationality is she? There you go. All right, so I'm making this recipe double batch. Double batch, I used 2 cans of cannellini beans, 2 cans of kidney beans. They're rinsed, drained in this bowl. I'm going to be adding half a cup red onion, half a cup white onion. Traditionally, it's made differently. I'm adding stuff to make it taste good. And, you know, I'm using ingredients for their healing properties as well. I'm putting in 2 garlic cloves grated, traditionally not in there. The juice of 2 lemons, some good quality fresh olive oil, salt, pepper, a little bit of sumac. But if you don't have sumac, you could just substitute smoked paprika, the parsley, the dill, and that's it. Mix it, chill it, let it sit for like an hour or 2. Let those flavors just marinate and marry each other. This is divine 420 on that Lilith energy. Anyone that knows, I am a gardening chef as well. So all the spirits are confirming all the messages I'm delivering. So I hope you guys start cooking for yourselves. I hope I taught you something today, and give this recipe a try and come back. I still got more videos to drop.